Hello guys and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I will be showing you how to get the linear theorem. It's quite easy to get the linear theorem. For this video, we're going to be working with the MetaMask platform. So once you've installed the MetaMask, click on the MetaMask and make sure you're on the linear network. So click on the network drop down at the top of the screen. Once you've selected the network drop down, click on linear main network. Now, once we're on the linear main network, in order to get the linear Ethereum, you're going to have to bridge some of your tokens which are on the other networks. So let's say you've got some BNB or you've got some ZK Sync or some Polygon or some Avalanche or some AVAX. Any of those tokens can be bridged over to the linear Ethereum. To get that done, head over to the browser section at the bottom right. Once there, simply use the link which is going to be in the description of this video. Okay guys, and after pasting the link which is in the description of this video, you're taken to the Stellar network or the Stellar bridge, where you could simply bridge your BNB chains or your BNB tokens over to the linear main network. That is, you're moving your BNB tokens over to the linear network. It works for other networks. Once you select the drop down, you can select any of these networks like the BNB chain, the Avalanche, the Polygon, Arbitrum One, OP Mainnet, Metis, and many other networks. So all you need to do is simply put in the amount of tokens you wish to bridge. So you could simply bridge any amount of the BNB over to the linear mainnet. So simply click on the Connect Wallet, select MetaMask, click on Connect, and once you've done this, you simply switch over to the BNB network. So we're on the linear main network, but click on BNB Smart Chain. Once you've selected the BNB Smart Chain, you could then make use of your BNB tokens. You just allow the Stellar bridge to reload. And once it's done reloading, you can make use of the bridge where you can move over your assets from the network, that's the BNB Smart Chain, to the linear main network. Another option of getting yourself some of the linear Ethereum is quite simple. Minimize and open up a centralized exchange. The centralized exchange we're going to be working with for today's video is the OKX. Now, one thing you need to take note of is there is no centralized exchange that supports the linear network. And because of this, we're going to be working with the OKX. So guys, in order to make use of the OKX, all you need to do is simply deposit any crypto. If you could remember on MetaMask, we had some BNB. If you have some BNB, if you have USDT, if you have Bitcoin, any cryptocurrency asset you have, you could simply click on the deposit option here, deposit that particular cryptocurrency as far as it's supported by OKX, and you could get it converted into the Ethereum linear. Now, before you can do any of that, you're going to need an account on OKX. And if you do not have an account on OKX, by using the link which is in the description of this video below, all you need to do is register and verify your account and stand a chance to win $10,000 worth of mystery boxes. Now, the next step is simply head over to the assets menu at the bottom right corner of the screen. That is after you've deposited. Scroll to your funding or your trading, depending on where your USDT is. I have my USDT here, so all I need to do is scroll to the overview, click on this convert option here. Once you selected the convert, we're going to be converting from USDT to Ethereum. So in the place of Bitcoin, simply search for ETH, click on the amount, click on convert. Once you've done this, the conversion is successful. Click on view assets and we're taken back to the funding wallet. Now, in order to withdraw this in the linear network, click on the withdraw option, select the Ethereum, select on-chain, and now simply minimize and open up the MetaMask. When the MetaMask is opened up, head back to your wallet and select the linear network. That's what we're going to be using. Click on linear main network, click on the main network itself, click on the Ethereum token, click on the receive option, copy the address, minimize and open up OKX, paste the address there. The network we're looking for is the linear, so simply scroll till you find the linear Ethereum. Here we go, linear Ethereum. Click on the linear Ethereum, click on the amount you wish to withdraw. You can look at the gas fee, simply click on submit, and the Ethereum would then be withdrawn. Click on I understand the risk, click on continue, and the Ethereum would then be withdrawn over to your MetaMask, which you could simply confirm by a simple reload, and you'd find the Ethereum on your wallet. That's the Linear main network. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how we can go about any of this, and you'd be given an answer. Thank you.